Have you ever prayed and felt like you were sending text messages into space? No response, not even a scene. So you reread Hebrews 11, verse 1, find faith is the assurance of things hoped for. Think, great, a nice quote, and then turn the page. But this verse is not a postcard. It's the assembly instructions for heaven. 3 steps, no more, and the impossible becomes a schedule. Get ready, I'm giving you the sequence. The problem, many read firm assurance and hear I really hope hard. As a result, as soon as the deadline extends, we panic and shelve the project. Yet the Greek word hupostasis means title deed. You have the notarized deed even if the keys are still with the notary. The sky isn't blocked, we just forgot the security code. Step 1, receive the vision Abraham hears. I will make you a great nation, while Sarah has had a barren womb for years. He didn't brainstorm the promise, he received it in HD. Ask for a clear image, place, date, name. Write it down on your phone, on a post-it, it doesn't matter. Without a picture, faith remains an artistic blur. Step 2, act as if it's already won. Moses facing the sea, staff raised, Pharaoh behind, no bridge in sight. He raises the staff even before the water gets angry. Faith is the boarding pass. You get on the plane before the runway is cleared of snow. Your Red Sea, walk, sign, start, even if your brain screams error 404. Step 3, speak the existence of invisible things. The ancients obtained their testimony by faith after having opened their mouths. Abraham calls Sarah mother of nations, even though she hasn't even bought the stroller yet. Words do not describe, they create. Every morning say the straightforward phrase, my husband is saved, my rent is paid, my back is healed. Repeat until your circumstances say, okay, I'm coming. Stop, breathe. In the comments, note the dead zone, then the exact promise you are going to receive, act on and proclaim. I will review and we will pray together. Go. Precise vision, a shifted action. 3, creative speech. The H11 protocol to be used like a Lego instruction manual. No genius, just precision. So no, the sky is not under maintenance. The code is on your table. Test it on the wound that is bleeding the most. If this video has turned your makeshift hope into solid confidence, subscribe. Next week, we'll discover the verse that Jesus quietly used to stock up on sandwiches when the crowd was starving. See you there. So no, the sky is not under maintenance. The code is on your desk. Test it on the wound that's bleeding the most. If this video has turned your makeshift hope into solid confidence, subscribe. Next week, we'll explore the verse that Jesus quietly used to stock up on sandwiches when the crowd was starving. See you there.